Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for clicking this video. Okay, today's topic is being a good news anchor. Because the today's topic is being a good news anchor, we will try to do this text as good as possible. In this video, I am Amar Ariantino and my partner Putri Khoirun will be acting as if we are being a news anchor. Okay, let's check the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the TBIC News with leading news report from all around the world. Today, June 16, 2021, will bring several information that happening during this week, and here is the topic line. The spread of COVID-19 in Madura is increasing. Now with me, Amar Ariantino. Police and Surabaya city government have begun to insulate the Surabaya-Madura connecting bridge. Everyone who wants to go to Surabaya from Madura will have a swab test done. This step is also called part of the anticipation of the spread of COVID-19. Due to the increasing number of cases of COVID-19 transmission in Bangkalan, Madura, the head of Tanjung Perak Port Police Surabaya, AKBP Ganis Setianingrum, also confirmed the existence of insulations and swab tests for all route users from Madura to Surabaya. Police and Surabaya city government have begun to insulate the Surabaya-Madura connecting bridge. Everyone who wants to go to Surabaya from Madura will have a swab test done. This step is also called part of the anticipation of the spread of COVID-19. Due to the increasing number of cases of COVID-19 transmission in Bangkalan, Madura, the head of Tanjung Perak Port Police Surabaya, AKBP Ganis Setianingrum, also confirmed the existence of insulation and swab tests for all road users from Madura to Surabaya. Ganis said, because there is an increase in positive case in Madura, we carried out an antigen swab in Suramadu, which is headed from Madura, together with Mayor of Surabaya too. He said that from the blocking, officer would first check the competence of the rider, such as ID card to COVID-19 free letters. If the driver from Madura doesn't have a COVID-19 free certificate, then the person concerned is required to undergo an antigen swab test at the insulation location. He said, check the ID card of 3 regions in Madura that are suspected of being high in COVID-19. Meanwhile, a letter of application for lockdown was circulated from the director of the Ratu Abu Hospital, Sarifah Ambami. In the letter addressed to the Bangkalan region, she mentioned the request for locking the emergency installation of the hospital. The letter stated the reason why the lockdown had to be carried out, among the other things, because there are a number of medical personnel who have been confirmed positive for COVID-19 and some have even died. The lockdown was also announced to start for the next 3 days from Saturday to Tuesday next week. Okay, now we are connected to Putri Khoirun in Suramadu. Please tell me what is the current situation regarding the intercept that occurred in Suramadu. Putri.
Okay, thank you, Amar. I'm currently standing in the area of Suramadu Bridge, where there is currently massive vehicle interruption to be checked one by one using a swab test kit, the result of which are immediately visible after the test is carried out directly through the driver's nose. This was done because after it was discovered that recently both City Surabaya and the district of Bangkalan have recently increased the number of cases of COVID-19. As a prevention effort so that this COVID does not spread and doesn't get worse, the government has decided to intercept people who want to travel between islands by cops and medical personnel. If the drivers are detected with the COVID-19 symptom, the authorities will not give permission to cross Suramadu and have to turn back and get a self-quarantine almost 14 days. For those who are perceived positive through the PCR test, they will immediately referred to Lapangan Indrapura Hospital, Dr. Sutomo Hospital, Unair Hospital, and the other hospital in Surabaya. This is done. This is done so that patients infected with COVID-19 receive maximum treatment and also spread of COVID does not get worse. Maybe that's what I can say. This time what happened in the Suramadu area. I return it into Amar Ariantino in the studio.
Thank you so much, Putri, for reporting now situation that happened in Suramadu. Well, viewers, that's all news for today. For more information, you can check our website at www.tbic.com. And do not forget to always comply with health protocol wherever you go. And I'm Amar Ariantino. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Good morning, viewers. Welcome back to the TBIC News Leading Report, news from all around the world. June 16, 2021, will bring several information that happening during this week. And here's the topic line. The governor of DKI Jakarta directly inspect the topping of the Jakarta International Stadium. Now with me, Putri Khoirun Nisak. Here's the news. DKI Jakarta Governor Anies Baswedan inspect the topping of activity for the roofs of the Jakarta International Stadium in Tanjung Priok, North Jakarta, together with Governor of DKI Jakarta Anies Baswedan, Wednesday, June 16, 2021. The topping of process uses hydraulic jack machine which is spread over 16 points in the GIS area. The process of lifting the roof truss simultaneously with a very heavy load, 3,900 tons, is the only one in Asia at present. This is the news at the Jakarta International Stadium. GIS designed to use a reachable roof system so it can be used in any weather. This facility makes the stadium can be utilized more optimally because it can be used all the time, all year round without disturbed weather and operating hours. This is the first breakthrough in Indonesia. Stadium roof that can be opened and closed automatically. Complicated process, said Anies, must be prepared so that roof frame load that weighs 3,900 tons along 270 meters can be lifted up to a high 70 meters. However, thanks to the joint work of thousands of people involved in the development of GIS, felt credible and hope this could be completed, Anies said. The installation process of GIS frame with completion is finally targeted to be completed on July 15, 2021. Then, in December 2021, God willing, the inaugural match will be scheduled at GIS when the entire construction is completed. Okay. Now we are going to try to talk to our reporter in construction site of Jakarta International Stadium about the current situation of tapping if is in there. Okay, Now we are going to try to talk to our reporter in construction site of Jakarta International Stadium about the current situation of tapping is in there. Okay, now we are connected with Amar in Jakarta. Please tell me, what is the current situation in construction site of Jakarta International Stadium?
Okay, thank you, Putri. I'm currently standing in the area of Jakarta International Stadium. As you can see, Putri, today the Jakarta International Stadium construction project today entered the topping of stage, or the removal of the main roof truss. The stadium, which can accommodate 82,000 spectators, is targeted to be complete on schedule so that it can hold its first match in December 20 and 21. The governor of DKI Jakarta, Anies Baswedan, today witnessed the topping of or the lifting of the roof truss of the Jakarta International Stadium, which is located in Tanjung Priok, North Jakarta. The roof of the stadium has a length of 270 meters and height and the weight 3,900 tons, which is claimed to be the heaviest in the world. The stadium roof will have the ability to open and close automatically. This technology allows the Jakarta International Stadium to host matches in all weathers. Jakarta International Stadium is claimed to be the first largest stadium in Indonesia with a capacity of 82,000 spectators, and according to FIFA standards, the construction of the stadium is targeted according to the schedule so that it can hold its first match in December 20 and 21. Maybe that's what I can report from now condition of Jakarta International Stadium area. I giving it back to you, Putri, in studio. From Jakarta, Amar Ariantino, TVIC TV reported.
Thank you, Amar, for reporting now situation that happened in Tanjung Priok, North Jakarta. Well, viewers, that's all the news today. For more information, you can check out our website www.tbicnews.com. Do not forget to always comply with health protocols wherever you go. And I'm Putri Khoirun Nisak. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and sign it out.